Hey YouTube, what is up? I'm back with another video. I'm probably gonna do the shoe collection video tonight. And I want to see if the twins want to make a video, or I'm just gonna do it myself. So do y'all want to do a video?
Why don't you keep that out of your
Okay. Here's them. Get that from all up in his eye. All up in his eye.
And all up in his eye. Over there looks like boogers all over his eye. Oh! Did you not? Did you not? Did you not?
I'm making a video. What y'all want to do? What y'all want to do? Let's do a fidget spinner video. How about that?
Where's your fidget spinner?
At my mama's house. Fidget spinner.
Nothing.
Woo! Spin it. Woo! It's me again. I don't really know what else to do. I might just do a room tour video later, like back to back.
Now can you go up to your room?